In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create ad groups in Google Ads. We'll walk through each step together, ensuring that by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to create your own ad groups with confidence and ease. So, let's get started. Firstly, you'll need to navigate to the Google Ads homepage. It's here that you can really dive into the world of online advertising and begin to engage your audience effectively. Once you're at the homepage, you'll find the sign in button prominently placed. Go ahead and click on that. It's essential to be logged in to access all the features you'll need for creating ad groups. If you're new to Google Ads, you'll need to set up an account, which is a straightforward process that Google will guide you through. Once signed in, you'll be directed to the Google Ads home. This is your central hub where everything happens. From here, you'll want to find and click on Campaigns. It's located in the menu on the left side of the screen. The campaign section is where you manage all your advertising efforts, and it's here you'll start the process of creating your ad groups. Within the campaign section, look for the ad groups option. This is the key area we'll be focusing on today. Click on it and you'll be taken to a dashboard showing all existing ad groups if you have any. For those starting fresh, it will be empty, ready, and waiting for your creative input. Now it's time to create a new ad group. You'll find a button or a link labeled Create Ad Group right there on the page. Click on that and this will open up a form where you can begin building your ad group. This is where your choices start coming into play. You'll input information such as the ad group name, keywords, and more. Each of these elements will help Google target the right audience for your ads, so it's worth taking your time to get it right. When setting up, remember to focus on a defined theme or product for each ad group. This will make your ad more effective in reaching the intended audience. And of course, don't forget the importance of relevant keywords. Think about what your potential customers might search for and make sure those words are represented in your ad group. Once you've filled in all the required fields and you're happy with your selections, review everything to ensure there are no errors or typos. This review process is crucial for maximizing the effectiveness of your ads. When you're satisfied, hit save or continue, and just like that, your ad group creation is complete. Congratulations, you've now learned how to create ad groups in Google Ads. Hopefully this guide has been helpful and will benefit your advertising needs. Keep experimenting and refining your approach, as successful ads often come from testing and iteration. Thank you for joining me today, and I look forward to seeing you in our next tutorial. Happy advertising!